When designing a part and selecting a tolerance grade for the features, I also need to keep in mind how the part will be manufactured. The charts shown here will help me make my final tolerance decision. The darker shaded areas show what tolerance grades the listed manufacturing methods are capable of producing. When using the charts, always keep in mind that the larger the tolerance, the cheaper the part is to produce. And the chart is for reference purposes only. Your company may have developed processes capable of holding tighter tolerances. The lower chart shows that the tolerance grades 01 through to 7 are used for measuring tools, grades 5 through to 11 are for parts which fit together, grades 8 to 14 are for raw material production, and grades 12 to 16 are typically for larger manufacturing tolerances. Prior to using this chart, I would first determine the required feature size and tolerance. Then I would see what manufacturing methods are available to meet the tolerance requirements. For example, if I determine that a hole requires an international tolerance grade of 6, from the chart I can see that this hole could be produced by cylindrical grinding, diamond boring, broaching, or reaming. If a shaft required an international tolerance of 8, then turning would be an acceptable method of production.